So if you have a Toyota Tundra 2UZ V8 engine like mine, I just wanted to give you some tips and maybe some tricks about having some misfires in your truck, which like I had the other day. I'll just go over some scenarios. Like, there were some times where I had misfires happen, and diagnosing it said 3P0301 P0304, and that's just your cylinder marking. So you go into your engine compartment, and in my case, take a look at them. I can't remember which one that is, but I'll just show you the gist of what I'm trying to talk about. So these are your coils, each individual coil on each cylinder. And so I swapped the ones that I was having problems with, and sure enough, it switched over to the cylinder that I switched it to. So that meant that my coils were bad. So then I ended up replacing those coils, and then everything worked fine. So let's say that you switch those and maybe it doesn't, but you don't even have to do that. You could always try some other things too, which I'll get to in just a second. But you could just not switch those two and start off with doing maybe some cleaning agent, like I would say doing seafoam, or like get your fuel tank down to 1/8 of a tank, and then do some seafoam and gum out, which would be this, and that's for your injectors. Seafoam, and then gum out, and that would be get your fuel tank fairly low. Then you can just put that in and get your injectors clean, because in my case, my truck has 184,000 miles and I've never had the injectors changed. So that's kind of my method of cleaning out the injectors. Another thing that happens is sometimes you might get an oxygen sensor reading. So if you plug in your reading unit and you get an oxygen sensor, which I have before, then I'll show you where those oxygen sensors are in a second, but I'll show you what I clean it with. So I'm going to take out the oxygen sensors, and then I'm going to clean it with carburetor air intake cleaner. That's what I would clean it with. And the oxygen sensors, they only got two on mine, but yours, I'm assuming most of them probably just have two, but for the V8s, but there's oxygen sensor on there, and there's the other oxygen sensor there. What you're gonna find is the nuts are like a safety nut. So you're gonna have to unscrew it with like some kind of pliers or something to get those off. And then I just replace the nuts with something I can actually like ratchet on, ratchet off. That way I can pull those out and just change those. Now those are the original sensors. So I've never ever had to replace them. I just keep cleaning them. My exhaust system is still the original exhaust system as well. And sometimes you can have misfires on your engine, and you can have air leaks in your exhaust system, which I've had. So I've had to patch this several times, as you can see on that muffler right there. And I just use the steel stick, the JB Weld steel stick, which I'll show you. And just get JB Weld, just massage the putty together, and then just stick it on that's a stick right there, and just stick it on the areas that I need to. So those are some of the tips and tricks for fixing multi misfires that might happen on your V8, your TUZFE type engine.